Today I am going to show how to do composting with DOSTBIN Popular. Along with the machine, you get remix powder, cocopeat brick and charcoal. This you need to unwrap and fill this compartment with half water here. It expands to become powder full of this compartment. This you need to unwrap and put in the odor absorber section. With this, the machine is ready for composting. You need to empty this full remix powder in the hopper. Full need to be emptied. After which you can add kitchen waste along with handful of cocopeat powder. You keep on adding it until your hopper or your waste is full. You need to manually rotate the handle in both the direction so that the waste is shredded and goes inside. It is a good practice to sprinkle a little bit of cocopeat at the end of the usage so that any flies does not come. In 1 week or 10 days or whenever your first stage is full, you will be able to see here. You need to shift the content from stage 1 to stage 2 by pulling and pushing this slider. You can see so many holes are made here for proper aeration for optimized faster composting. Once the waste is shifted from stage 1 to stage 2, it is available to take your fresh daily waste for next cycle of composting. In the stage 2, the next stage of composting happens. You need to rotate this handle maybe 2 minutes every day to ensure that the mixer blade aerates the pile here. This ensures faster composting. After a week or 10 days, when you need to harvest compost, you can push and pull this slider to collect your compost from the compost collection drawer. Kitchen waste is 70% water. So with DOSTBIN composting, the excess water comes out through these sections and it flows in this leachate pipe. You can collect the leachate in a disposable water, dilute it with 1:15 ratio with water and use it for your garden. If you don't want this, you can leave it to drainage and it will go away. From the website www.dostbin.com, you can check the 3 products, comparison of the 3 variants offered by DOSTBIN. The 3 variants can be seen here, and from here you can pre-book your DOSTBIN Popular machine with 5,000 rupees and pay rest of the amount at the time of delivery. Thank you.